Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and turning on Explorer and Properties so you can see lighting. Next, grab your 6 sky images or a pre-built sky asset, upload them into your Roblox account if they aren't already. Once your images or asset ID are ready, select the lighting service in Explorer, right-click, and insert a sky object. This immediately gives you the object to configure. Make sure the images match orientation names, BK, FT, LF, RT, up, DN, to avoid flip seams. Once the sky object exists, you assign each image to its corresponding Skybox property and properties. Skybox BK, Skybox FT, Skybox LF, Skybox RT, Skybox up, Skybox DN. Use the numeric asset ID copied from the uploaded images to avoid broken links. After assigning, tweak lighting settings like time of day, ambient, and outdoor ambient to match the mood. Subtle fog or exposure changes help blend the horizon. Save frequently. You can also group the sky. Now test your sky in play or start and rotate the camera to inspect seams and color balance. When satisfied, publish the place or save the configured sky as a model in your assets for reuse. If the sky fails to display, check that each image's permissions allow your place to access them and that you pasted the exact asset ID into the sky properties. Replace any expired or private assets. Finally, clear Studio cache or restart Studio if changes still don't show up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.